What if I told you that you can create your own advertisement and on a low budget? If you want to ramp up your sales, stay with me and let's talk about it. Meow! I'm back! It's been a few months, but adsganda is officially back in the building. Did you miss me? Because I definitely missed you. As a special comeback gift, I'm showing you exactly how to create these high-end AI speed ramps and instant video. If you want to turn your static photos into profits, this tutorial is for you. Let's go! First up is the AI speed ramp. This is that cinematic fast, flow fast effect that makes your videos look high budget. First, you have to prepare your reference sheet. Consistency is the secret to a professional AI video. Next, we're using the start frame plus end frame technique in Flow. If you're struggling with prompts, just ask your favorite chat AI to write the scene for you. It's like having a co-director. Now drop your clips into CapCut, go to speed, then bullet style. Remove the extra nodes so the graph looks like a smooth slope at the center. Now check out this final output using the car as our subject. Smooth, right? Okay, we're done with the speed ramp. Now let's turn a single raw photo into a 6 to 8 second advertisement. Upload your image to your favorite AI video generator. Now copy my master prompt. I'll put a link in the description. Just fill in the details for your product and voila! This output from VOC is perfect for affiliation or your own brand. You can even use this prompt with tools that offer free tokens, so there's no excuse not to start today. So we mastered AI asset consistency, the CapCut speed ramp slope, and the one-click photo to add prompt. All the resources are in the description for your practice. It feels so good to be back with you all. If this helped you, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Let me know in the comments which tool you're trying first. Stay creative.
Woohoo!
Hope you
Let's
like
go!
my video. Meow.